The joy I saw with him, it was unreal from day one. The man knew what he wanted, and it was you. And he made the right choice.
Andrew, I remember when Laura called me one day and said, I think I met this really cute, nerdy boy. Yes, that's right. I told Laura, well, why don't you just give it some time, all right? Don't, rush into things or anything like that. And maybe a week later or whatever, they're already seeing each other, dating or something like that. And I was like, okay, all right, well, I hope this guy is a good guy,
But Laura, you, speaking from your mom and I, we're so privileged, we're so happy that we were given the opportunity to be your parents. You've always been a real joy for us. You have filled our lives with such richness. It's immeasurable, and it's really beyond our imagination. Andrew, I remember when I met you, I was very impressed. And my first thoughts were, because I think I pretty well picked up on something then.
If anybody's been around this couple that's sitting right in front of me right here, you guys know there's just an aura of trust and intimacy around them.
When I first saw him opening the door for her, giving the coat off his back to her, I knew that I could relax.
You're always there for my sister, you're there for us, you're part of the family.
And nor do I think that it's a coincidence that a young man from Virginia and a young lady from Tennessee met in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, became best friends, fell in love, and here we are tonight. So a lot of people may think that's just random, but I don't think so. I think that things happen for a reason.
Oh, wow. That is unbelievable. Are you ready? All right.
Laura, receive this ring.
As a sign of my love and fidelity.
As a sign of my love and fidelity.
In the name of the Father.
In the name of the Father.
And of the Son.
And of the Son.
And of the Holy Spirit.
And of the Holy Spirit.
Andrew, receive this ring.
As a sign of my love and fidelity.
As a sign of my love and fidelity.
In the name of the Father.
In the name of the Father.
And of the Son.
And of the Son.
And of the Holy Spirit.
And of the Holy Spirit.